Hey everybody, Monty here. So it's Friday, November 6th. 15 vocabulary words. Okay, several of you reached out. Hey, we're not ready for a Friday quiz. Let's do the Friday quiz together. Okay? So, 1, great job reaching out. 2, thank you for pushing yourself. But I totally agree. 15 vocabulary words and you don't know them, we need to practice. So, Friday quiz. Here we go. Our job is to identify all of these spots. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to use, we'll just use different colors. I know where the center is. The center is right here. Just draw a line. Boom. Change colors. Radius. Now, if you notice, there's no actual radius here. There is a diameter. So the diameter is this blue box right here, okay? So I'm going to write half the diameter, okay? Let's just write it. Half the diameter. I'm going to put my name here. D. Monty. And I think I'll just go half, just like that. Boom. R for radius. All right, let's find a chord. Switch colors. Now, a chord is the one that I messed up with you in this class, and the chord is right here. A chord is a segment that goes and touches both sides, but not outside. Okay? Central angle. A central angle uses the center. Okay? So let's just fly outside here. Boom. Okay? That is a central angle. Okay? Tangent to the circle. Tangent to the circle and point of tangency are over here. Okay? So we'll grab a new color. I'm going to circle these because they go together. Okay? And we have the tangent line, and this is the point of tangency. Okay? And we need an arc. Now, segment to the circle and an arc. Because we're getting awfully cluttered here, let's do segment of the circle is what this green represents. That's a segment of the circle. And then I'm going to do this arc. That right there will be our arc. Okay? All right. So I'm asking you to interact with the vocabulary, okay? So it's messy, but we're trying to identify all of these pieces, okay? Now let's do something a little bit different. Inscribed. A key term that I need you to know is inscribed. Okay, an inscribed angle, I'm just going to mark it here, P-A-T. P-A-T. Inscribed circle, okay? Inscribed circle, the vertex is on the circle, okay? So the vertex A is on the circle. Cool, and it is. A is on the circle. Okay, now a central angle is exactly that. The vertex is the center. The vertex is the center. All right? The vertex is the center. Okay? So now let's go to mark that location. L, C, P. Central angle. Okay? All right. And that purple went to that number 1. All right. Now, major arc, minor arc. Major. A major arc is the outside, L-A-T. I'm going to use green. I'm going to grab a highlighter, and we'll use green. L-A-T. L-A-T. Major arc because it's more than half. More than 180. More than 180. Okay? And since we're here, we have a minor arc AL. Let's grab a different color highlighter. Minor arc AL. Less than 180. Okay? Less than 180. So we'll scroll here. Less than 180. And then when I was typing this, I forgot we marked that with this symbol. With this symbol, okay? An actual arc symbol, okay, over the letters. All right? And how many degrees in a circle? Next week, I don't think we're going to move on. I think we're going to stay here because we need to do some practice with circles. And this is what I mean. I gave you a circle, and we had some angles in here. Okay. Circle A. And let's call this, what, 100 degrees? And we'll call this 180 degrees. How much is the unknown? Calculate the question mark, right? So we know a circle is 360, and then we would subtract the 180 and subtract the 100 to get the question mark, okay? So I think we need to have another skill builder week coming up, and we'll work on some skills and calculating some angle measures. All right? Okay, hopefully that was helpful. That's what we're going to do today. Have a great weekend, and don't forget next week, only 2 days of school. So we'll do a little skill builder week. See ya.